Nono Christopher, former vice chairperson, Palisa district. Mukulu.
Sebo.
All your structures is Sebo. What you get? Why in the motia? How did you get it? Almost silly, Kirido, Covenantian Muti, Tinjuma, near Yange.
Oh, not yet. Oh, Katabako Tiamu Kafana.
Nae Tikibakisa. Obatoma itomugeni wakala.
No, enunteve.
Hey.
By the way, all Ingra Miembe, Dibaja yellow. Opapali, Abawa yellow. Olikumfuna. Most things, every now Kora, we baba yellow. So if you want to live with different orientation politically, you know, we must accept each other.
No,
I want a politics of tolerance and diversity. Oyonze niyo politics jeta.
Obadombuli akunti mukuru ninobwa yero nobwa gundi twabe tutya. Obanze ninkanze nti obampererya kaguri obaka ready.
That actually nzano mbala kente be kalegendi. Oute we nina ono na wa yellow.
Is it NRM oba just
one I think you remember oute ono tu yaka nabulezo. Oute ono ukaire.
Era wono really.
And it shows how deep I'm interested in NRM.
Obairo Gundi, from your silence, how did you come up with
only that
participating in the NRM structures?
I don't know. Engaging na Covanta have been silent. Okay? And maybe because I don't know how we are defining silence. Because I have been active. You know, you can be silent when you're active. And that's the difference. I have been silent but active. Inga monitoring. Okay? Inga to promoting a pattern, no by the way. Government programs inga to gibamu. Indi Moiza aberetataka government programs egirete wore NRM party and the ruling party gize nyeroeku.
Indi Moiza
I'm a leader without office, but I'm very I advocate. I'm an advocate. You know, people to think into because I'm not a leader and therefore I should just mute. Nature might I don't allow that. For example, under PDM, abantu waberenga ngabatia, but I'm one person ena havireina ekibuku, a leader without office when His Excellency was launching PDM, okay, in the Greater Bukedi. To abere kibuku yadi. Atata government nenkole yayo tayabayobe. So that means I've not been silent. I've been active. My silence is about being active. That's what I can define silence. Two, in the muntu, iti njikiri yange government tuletero bakuzimba isome deno contractors azenyero. Nta akola substandard work. Ndi muntu. I'm a whistleblower. Inze nembayirenga indi kano. Nimpulira kuntoba aba pensioners sente jawe. There is a problem. I would pick my phone. Ninkubiro chairman there is a problem here. Can you address it? Even UPE. There is a time when I shook this district. Tinta kirakimo kinde corruption. I shook this district. There was a time when UPA, I think financially messing up. I had to blow the whistle. Chairman, this is an issue. CFO, I don't want to hear this again. So that means I'm an active cadre. So I have been in Bairanunga Sirikete, but very active. I could organize people. I want to implement government programs. For example, a government here is rolling to visit Kolewere. Our parish chiefs, under town council, about town agents. Basabere and Mirimo, when they advertised it. Some two positions, I think, for SAS and one position for human resource. Now, our funerary are two town agents. Aba na charunga tuba maitenda ona bere nencha bali nemirimo abotiba funerary na kwenti no those people did interviews babere ba town agents it is to it is my duty to explain how government works under human resource. So omuntu alinganze timbankoleni insirikire. You know, abantu bataka mbo bangoli active oya okulumbe okotindiwo banange unako ati ano bango zero mu leadership ngwawerere bantu iwo boya kulumbe they recognize what you musirike. You have gone to mourn oboda izabe abantu abe, but you can help some few people to explain and get into give them timbere nsirikirebe chovona a road map ye structures ya tandikire na setukire ne tabamu kuzora kimbo ku village level nga ntambula paka ngulu bale tingulira mpaka ngulu nengulu wona antatiano nengulu wona na baire ku yezo yawo venga to lunako longa izo okulonda rera nga tinkuona inze ngandiwo. Did you have a camp? I don't know what is called a camp because is it an IDP camp, but usually under multi-party democracy, where competition is free and fair, people choose who to elect. Now, I chose Narondero Olido Wange into Onunia Solokuntwalena, Muma is some party no as a district leader. And that was the Honorable Dr. Musenero Monica. Before Monica came late, where were you? Na Bairo. But I was keen. My ear was on the ground. Kuba? Umugoda ni ya bairanguru. Timaiti. Wali yaina. Musenera rangirira lwati ngo kulonda kwa izoli. Ali alo, I don't know bisekesia. To be very honest, twalia unga tutanga. Because I didn't have an interest of being a district NRM chairperson. Though I wanted to be the vice chairperson. Now, in the whoever comes, okay? Eutebu, tuli na magombola makaire matanu. Obutebu, opetete, okanginima, kakoro, and kabwangas. Those good 5 sub-counties. If you have to use the principle of equity, gabanya kusani aula any problem. Ingocha persona jazwere tete tuongerayo omuntu gondi. So nga tulino gabeki for kitekta kimo. So my interest and whoever knew nali mu bintu bino nali incovenant to whoever comes, okay? I must be the vice chairperson. I am using the word must because inzonyere ninze nsala kifo kyentaka. Musenero ya zirereti. Yes. Where were you? Wali kwani oyo gwaba anda. Ear to the ground. I think like anybody, anybody. Twalinga tuliao because in Butevo there was someone called there was Aisu here, Aisu Sam. There was also someone called Okui. And at last minute someone called Dan Okanya came. But initially it was Mugoda, okay, Richard, nearby the Hanguru. And studying myself, where do I cast my vote behind? Ngankali Ndiao, pondering. Now, you remember... No, I don't know. I saw a Mugoda. Come on, do you know what? Anu, no politician inataka kubeva chairperson yatasolo okuwagirona azwero muigombale jazwe eshali kizibu so nga no okugwa edi isanajerigwa mpetete. Yes, but now when Dr. Musenero came, okay, nakata izire definitely ngara indino kugwa eri doctor ability. Ability. You know, let me tell you, I'm a very fast decision maker. I make my decision very fast. Even when I'm wrong, I remain alone when I've made a decision. I made a decision swiftly. I said, since the minister has come, I cannot disappoint the minister. By virtue of her position, Minister ono yakolera a development plan ya Bukedi Mulamba egitulwa kufunanga ebbiri egitulwa kufuna billion 5 every financial year billion every mwatano. Such a person with a bigger vision, and usually I think big, usually ntako okolera abantu abansinga ino and very closely such that I'm able to enhance my thinking capacity and exposure. Nze ekyo niye kyensinga okutaka. Okay? Inze Mwami Nkuni, if you want to be a NRM chairperson, ndi mkagwao, kasi someone who is superior na iza, iwenze nkuleka. Ebyo mkakosi birembale, insoka ni pasu winge. Let me tell you, we are what we are because of the people we associate with. This is it. So if I got an opportunity to associate with the minister as a vice chairperson, now being a vice chairperson of a minister means a lot. I'm very happy. It means State House in Tebe. Nanku very smart. You come and we meet. I will just jump on whatever and I reach. Nintuka.
Chances
nyingi no kubania okabaka. Okubomunta atumula no kabaka. Chances nyingi wone okwewa kabaka. This is it. No kabaka okumanya into ono. Niyo nani.
So you made a decision so quick.
Very fast. Like it is omuntu abalia na alwao. All over alwo kukyuse rangi. I made a fast decision. Because the kindo kyo mwendo kyali kiziro omuntu omuwende eno yalaizire.
Wali ku line?
La. Era inenyere enkambwe.
Wawulira otyango lyo ku line?
Nalimete nti.
Ko pressure yaliwo.
Ya bayire.
Nalimbulawo.
Ya bayire.
Somewhere I didn't.
I want to be very honest. Never underestimate an opponent. Because mukisere ky'abantu nga bakuusa abantu bawe babayirira. That is a lot of propaganda by the way. Iswe muno tutaka inokusiga ejo chaye eri abantu ababitiremu. Other places abantu ababitiremu baba puka opokupiki no kuba wanga flowers.
Bona abateso bapuka.
Yes, ona bukede ya. Bapuka nobody. Iswa tutaka ukunyanka go iswa bansienu ndela bansienu. Tutaka ukunyanka go nabadi. Abantu ready abali kusa abasolo ko akutumegere bisinga ku omuntu ngoyo omwongerako kiwa enkizo eri yene dom kamawe kubanga I want to assure you inti a government NRM etakaina abantu abaje embracingire ati onenye mumwima kiraga nti tubamutaka era no his excellency nakati ekitegezo omuntu ono wawe mubibi andira futa sana nemo musuka ko bimuli muti
ngeba
sukira ko musenera ati musukeko ati nawo twaba bakoda era zena embanti aninjaba okumsisinkana intambula kinawulovu kinawulovu niye kyentambula kubanga tuli bakoda ati nungo muri mugose ku mobilizing abantu basuko ululu 100%. By the way twawo kubiriza abantu bamanyeusa we government entusuko ululu okay tusuko bululu tetutaka bintu byekweruma muno ebikweruma mu bindi nebya ku Museveni be
tetutaka ko no Museveni
Dr. Museveni tinkolanga ku naye ebyakolere tibyetaga no mwofu yena abiwona kubanga mu COVID no his election ku mwaka mwesiga ti yabaire musiru Dr. Museveni bintu byakolere yabaire kaiso mu Africa was it Liberia yabaire nga okolera gaine Sierra Leone na be onone ati ani iswe omuntu omuwendo nabe
nenga wo utewuya
ne bamufuwa kenani but era she is highly needed in those areas iswe no niye gitujalalya tumweta intekityo you know nabe wawe nze niye gina onento nabe wawe tubamwisamuniki ekitiwa. By the way I'm embarrassed no petete. I'm very much embarrassed no petete.
But that is petete atio.
But we need to wake up. We need to wake up.
Era yakwegeneza waisweyo ba medenia baizo kuyole.
Echo muwendo kisigale echo muwendo. Tumanyenge echo muwendo. Era ne tukiwa omuwendo gwakyo. iwe tebayinza okuwa gold ne bakuwa ensenyi nokooti innonde wonsenye oleko gold. That is madness. Ebigambo bino otumula nga bakwata maite nze ntoko kutumula ntu akati aduire. No, it is not kudula, but sometimes tazumira omuntu olulagala tokoma mpanga. Ize mama ya nga kalalu nga wanogosyodo womusabe naye watuuka nga nogosyodo akati wofuka mamanya kagatamero dodo wanga niyo ofukama.
What are you expecting to do under Msenero? Egundi yanyu tugisubire mu bintu ki? Have you communicated with Dr.
Dr. Msenero? Aulawo. Ya South Africa. And possibly ayinza kuba this week ayinza kubaira. I have an arrangement to try and look for her. Amanye of Vicewe. And then we make a program. I'm very sure ayinza okutako kuyizeeko kole celebration because it was not an easy.
Were you appointed? You were voted.
I was voted. You know NRM.
I thought Msenero appoints a vice.
No. It is an election through lining.
Now campaign mukuba kukao.
Tutumula kukao katontono kati. Naye ati anunganzo ono mukairo ono. Onani owairuko omukibira omukaire tosobola kumulaga onziro uyaka. Inza anyegi banyo America kolana. Inze mfuluma mwe buli muntu anjeta mpochane. Lenze natuke ntwanange mumpecha voice era mirimo nakola. Bakoreka tete tu nogonda. Enani alignment yenu emala umali. Omuntu omugezi omuteka ku muntu omugezi kesi minu mekola niki negitamu.
Tubasubire muniki.
First of all, we want to musubire pato ukola kusani. Pato ukola kusani. Ate pato ukola kusani musubire development. That is it. Overall development. Ate ndi nomuntu omugezi awandike proposals. Asolo guiding direction ye district ngetambula under multi-party system and NRM government. We want to ensure that abavuka bonna tubakwata tubateeka mindset change. Ekiziwatya ne kiruwo namubantu abandi abakulu abasigero niye abakala bagotesya abaana bano. But as omuntu omukulu olina okulaga omwana ekituufu. Some people no dodo kumweri taona aona lwala. And that is very dangerous. Ate omukutu omukulu kyawona omwana omuto omuto nani nekisale taona. Tulina abantu abakali oti baana bato bataka kintu kyomukida. Na Yesu tuli kutaka okulekera egase. Twalekera eto batuzwiro kintu ke twalekera abantu bawonenge nti abantu bani abakolera.
Do you see your being a vice chairperson it is a spark to come back?
First of all, I'm already back, okay? But not in not in local government politics. Okay, I don't want to. I've always said now we recommend take malemi akekumi. I don't want again to bother myself so much in Abantu. I've given space for other leaders to come up. Bona bakomao batandikira nzegena koniki egena komere. But definitely I'm back in active politics as far as the NRM party is concerned. And once I deliver there, so many issues can come up. By the way, parties are key in resources allocation, monitoring, mobilization. Take comma. Only people think that it is only during elections, but that is a key position. You get it? You can use it for lobbying, for other things. You can monitor.
You get connected.
You can make a connections. You can actually knock doors and they get opened. Okay? Though others can also get closed.
Okumakinga ba oli kwa kuvugiwa
timaite. That is not a new thing. It is not something ekimpa arrogance and pride. But ebaba kubanga zina gule
omuntu abaira anonga yesirikira
no kune motoka ati anina gule kune motoka nintunda nga nsomesya abana kubanga nasomesera abana ediguri giryano abana watakimirimu. Possibly this could be an opportunity for government to consider their cadre abana.
Yeah,
maybe because nja kusale mikago when I meet friends from other districts, okay, and other organization agencies,
and the secretariat,
it will give me opportunity now to talk to them that abana banye bali ina. For me, anytime I can go, but in Jabirentia, how do I go and leave these children and not attended to or placed? Maybe that one.
Baby oyina ekintu kyotako kutumulako ebyocha abanawutewo nga tukali kusenga.
Yeah. Abanawutewo Dr. Msenero Monica yaizire as a storm. Okay? People didn't expect within one day, actually 24 hours. Nga winingira niki akalulu. Itile sipipa bamu nga bakunga. Okay? Even as I talk, Zena, you watch otumula, but I moved quietly. What I learned and my experience into obokole kintu okole kisirinkiriri. It was by design that in Zenabitire omukintu kinu kisirinkiriri. I didn't want to go through areas where there was a lot of shouting. So ninkole change kisirinkiriri, registered and got nominated for that position quietly and silently. And I left, I campaigned quietly. It has taught me a lot. However, many people are taking a lot of their time nga campaigning. When they see the minister is within one day na winning, it is a shock to them. Abantu up to now bakali basirikire. Abantu am bakali bakunga. But I want to request ntitula memanga ebiwundwe, because the truth is that democracy, the majority takes it. And Dr. Msenero took it. Okay? Atia nicho ukola kulama that trauma. Okay? Eri mutima twiramo tutambulika bine kyeswe ekiru kulemberwa His Excellency the President of Uganda Yoweri Kaguta Museveni. Ekyo ni kintu kusaba na utewo. Then tumanye tukoze offices zigino tutwale tobuchayi. Let's not continue planting a seed of discord. Ensi genfu. Omaite kinte kibibi kyangu inabantu okukikwata. Ekinte kisakirwa okwatwa nabantu. Ekyonzi niche emaite. Omuntu okusigonsigo mu bibi ati amera mangu. Okalala osigo kalala amera supidi within 2 days abasekere alinza. Obulo bulwa wansi okalala nasiba. So tugezieko ogumira ekibairo tuwe chance o Dr. Msenero ne timu ye okuwereria under this structure tuone njawulo, and we want to serve with a difference. Okay, kubanga enyume dabantu sento tono bairo wera antu bautemangako, but believe me not, inze kya muntu kiba kya muntu inge bakiretere niye kyatukanga. Niye kyatukanga. Okay? Ekyo ndikusuubiza kumpeo ekibaletere nti janani niye jatuka. Ekyo nze at least people know me. Nkubanga nabaire kwanu nandi negabanya na wanga abantu. And that's why I'm like this, my brother. Okuiza kwange, it is not because of a miracle, but I worked for this name. And I'm happy that now the name is again back. In the usually I dream big. I don't dream small. I make my strategies tactfully to achieve what I want. So I will follow my dream. Maybe in the future something better can come.
Okay. By the mpocha no ekakolo aneyanzire baba okubako na iwe.
Ne gwongere baba. Weva lokuizane tubaku nemboze nentontono. Mirembe gibe na iwe.
Amina.
Nze indiwo twasigalanga tusinkana more often than not. Neyanzire.
Kale baba.
Webale.
Yes, oya baire newly elected vice chairperson NRM Bontebbo district Mr. Onono Christopher Mpocha ngakoba nti ali ano musimino olwa Dr. Msenero kubanga yabitire mu kukifo ekyo era nga ali ready okukola naye era ajunjumirire kujunjumirirya batandika di asubizire nti buli kantu akaizanga omutewu kabanga direct je kaizire asubizire ne NRM okubanga eri kwa kubangulu ino okusinga ngebaire bintu bingine yanzire ino buli muntu abaire naiswe kyalo kitaka idembe kiryo nkuni obe kusa weraba